Starting around 05 April 2024, Nexo in a real sense is exchanging at $1.35 in terms of its US rate with a value change of 104% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. Nexo for the most part has a by and large complete market cap of $753,973,581 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,811,530 in an unpretentious manner. This by and large makes Nexo sort of positioning at 117 in the digital money market, which sort of is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo truly be? Really worth in 2024 in a truly significant manner? Is Nexo and in every practical sense, wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Nexo cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed essentially high in a really significant manner? These fundamentally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which in a real sense is very critical. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Nexo cost basically is supposed to commonly cross an especially normal value level of $178, the normal pretty least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Current year ought to generally be $1.71, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Besides, Nexo can generally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $1.95 in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value figure April 2024, the really normal cost of Nexo could especially go to $135 toward the finish of April 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo could in a real sense exchange around an essentially greatest worth of $1.39 with a by and large least expected cost of $1.23 in a for the most part significant manner. Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Nexo generally is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach at a really least worth of $1.34 in May 2024, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost could especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $1.44 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $1.39 all through 2024, which most certainly is very huge. Nexo value expectation June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Nexo cost basically is figured to truly arrive at a very the least cost of $1.37, demonstrating the way that the Nexo cost could generally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $1.44 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $1.39 all through 2024, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost could sort of arrive at a really greatest cost of $1.51 with the by and large normal expected cost around $1.43, or so they generally thought. Nexo value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for Nexo could in a real sense stretch around $1.58, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in July 2024 in a real sense is $1.42 with a for the most part normal cost of $1.47. Nexo value expectation August 2024. The cost for Nexo in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.47 and $1.66, which explicitly shows that these basically are our Nexo cost forecasts for Nexo's future in an unpretentious manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $1.53, pretty further appearance how Nexo value gauge April 2024 the normal cost of Nexo could for the most part go to $1.35 toward the finish of April 2024 amazingly. Nexo value figure September 2024. In September 2024 the cost of Nexo basically is supposed to be at around at least $1.53 in a really significant manner. Nexo cost can for the most part arrive at a very limit of $1.72 with the very normal cost of $1.60 and est in a very significant way. Nexo value expectation October 2024. The cost of Nexo is really anticipated to by and large reach at a, for the most part, least worth of $1.61 in October 2024, exhibiting how Nexo value gauge April 2024 the very normal cost of Nexo could generally go to $1.35 toward the finish of April 2024 in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $1.80 with the really normal exchanging worth of $1.66 all through 2024 in a sort of significant manner. Nexo value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Nexo cost especially is figured to truly arrive at a barely the most minimal cost of $1.66 in a by and large huge manner. The Nexo cost could especially arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.86 with a truly normal expected cost around $0.73. Nexo value figure December 2024. The Nexo estimate for December 2024 expects that the Nexo may in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.95 with an especially least cost of around $0.71. Extremely further appearance how generally is Nexo a wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in an essentially significant manner. Discussing the by and large. Normal value Nexo can essentially stretch around $0.78 for December, showing how Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Nexo for the most part is especially anticipated to in every practical sense reach at a kind of least worth of $0.34 in May 2024, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Nexo certainly passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every practical sense has been generally diminished by 0.2% in its kind of current worth, showing the way that discussing the sort of typical value Nexo can in every practical sense stretch around $1.78 for December, exhibiting how Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Nexo in every way that really matters is for the most part anticipated to especially reach at a truly least worth of $0.34 in May 2024 in a quite huge way. Assuming we most certainly think about the especially current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap is additionally down in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Nexo in every way that really matters was in all things considered great vertical pattern and expanded by 26% in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo in a real sense has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be by and large great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, demonstrating the way that the Nexo cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme cost of $1.51 with the especially normal expected cost around $1.43, which really is genuinely huge. Nexo value gauge 2024 facts what will basically be Nexo kind of worth in 2024, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost generally is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.95 with by and large least cost of $0.71 toward the finish of 2024. So the Nexo cost could by and large arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.80 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1.66 all through 2024 in a very enormous manner. Does Nexo generally have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Nexo truly has a remarkable truly potential to by and large arrive at new levels, showing how Nexo value figure April 2024 the especially normal cost of Nexo could commonly go to $1.35. Toward the finish of April 2024, or so they certainly thought.